Hello there. This is how to add videos to your Framer project. So first thing you need to do is just open up the browser and go to framer.com. I'm using Google Chrome right now, so you can use whatever you want. And then what you can do is just start a new project by clicking on this blue button right there at the top right and just wait for it while it creates the project. And now we have our project. So if you look uh, like on the left sidebar, you're gonna find a menu of items. If you can't find this or you can't see it, if it just says, pages, layers, assets, and you can't find the sidebar that I initially had, you can just click on this plus button, and it will show it to you. And then if you scroll down, you're gonna find media, and you just need to hover over that. You don't need to click it or anything. And then you're going to find inside the media a video option or a video section, and it has three options. So video, YouTube, or Vimeo. So I'll show you how to add a normal video first, and then how you can add a YouTube or a Vimeo. So what you can do is just drag and drop. As simple as that. And you can just resize it if you want, and you can center it to the middle right there. And if you look on the right sidebar, I'm sorry, you can control the width and the height. You can add effects. You can change the cursor. So if you want to use a default cursor or custom cursor, you can just add a component for that. You can add the component right here. And then also you can transform the video. That's kind of let's try scale, and then just scales it that way, but I'll just keep it at 0 for now. And then what you can also do is add a link for the video. Let me just, nope. Yeah, here we go. You could add a link for the video, the URL, or you could upload a video from your device. So you could just upload it right here. Just click on upload and choose a file, and then it'll open up your Finder or, your device's storage, and you can just find the video and add it. And you can also change the background. You can pretty much control everything in the video. Okay, and when it comes to adding a YouTube video, let me just delete that and go back to the plus button, go back to media, and add a YouTube video. And then just drag it and drop it over here. Let me resize it a little bit. Let me just drag it and drop it again in the middle. And you can go ahead and just add the video, add the URL for the video right here. And then you can also control whether it's going to autoplay or not, whether you're going to have high quality or low quality or medium quality. I prefer medium because most people would just choose high. However, high quality is just going to take more time to load. And yeah, that's pretty much it. It's as simple as that. Same thing goes for Vimeo. So you just add the URL, and yep, this is how easy it is. So hope that video is helpful.